I'm Emily, and today I'm going to show you how to use Moonsift. So once you've gone to moonsift.com and created an account, you'll be prompted to download the Chrome extension. That takes a couple of seconds, and then the Chrome extension will be installed up there, top right of your screen. And it's worth noting that you can only use Moonsift at the moment on Chrome on a desktop computer. So this is your collections page. Here are a few I've made earlier. And as you can see, you can create collections for something as specific as white sneakers that you might be mulling over, or something generic like spring, like a season, basically. You can delete things really easily once they're already in a collection. And it's also really easy to create new collections. So let's go through the process today. So when you're in your collections board, if you just select create a new collection, let's call this one Hello. We've created it. And then you'll come to this screen, which says collection empty. To start saving items, here is the full list of retailers. Now, at the moment, Moonsift is live on over 100 different retailers. And these are all hyperlinks. You can either go through from here, or as you're browsing on any of these retailers, the Moonsift icon will be enabled. It's worth noting that at the moment, it is only available in pounds. So if you are elsewhere in the world, anything you save will need to be in pounds. Okay, so let's have a look on Liberty. So just browse as normally. So you want to have a look at Office Essentials. Once the page is loaded, you'll notice in Tile View that the save icon will be at the top right. Because Hello was the last collection that we created, you just need to click there, and that will save it to Hello. Super easy. That one's already been saved to jumpers, so if you've saved it in the past, the saved icon will be layered on top of the product to remind you. But that doesn't mean that you can't add it to another collection. So you could click that and also add that one to Hello, and you could also remove it from jumpers there if you liked. So you want to create a new collection as well. You can just do that in this view. There you go. And you can also save products in single view. So you can open a product and the save icon will just be bottom right. Save that one into Hello. And the amazing thing about Moonsift is that it's not just one wish list or one website. You can basically shop wherever you like and save everything to the one central place, which is super handy. So if we come to Garni, we have a look at the shorts, then we can save a few more things into Hello. And then you can go back to your collection and find all of your items saved. So it's really instantaneous, which is amazing. And the exciting part is that this is just phase one. So the next phase will be social shopping, where you and your friends can collaborate on collections. You can get friends to review things that you're thinking about purchasing. And you'll also be able to follow your favorite influencers. And then the following phase will be recommendations. So Moonsift will use artificial intelligence to recommend you products based on the products you've saved already. And because this is designed for users, not advertisers, these recommendations are going to be completely unbiased. No retailer will be able to pay to have their products recommended first. So you'll be able to find things for collections that you wouldn't have otherwise found. And I know how helpful lots of us think that is. So guys, look forward to your feedback and happy moonsifting.